अच्छा ये बस पे वो दिखा रहे हैं ना इसमें
अभी से 400 फुट पे पहुंचे।
कान बंद हो सके नहीं, कान बंद है कि नहीं
अभी से 600 फुट पे पहुंच गए।
तो हो गई ना जैसे
Welcome to One World Observatory.
102nd floor. 102. Come on. Thank you. Welcome everyone.
We're going to face the screen, everyone. We're going to make our way up and down. We're going to come towards the screen. How are you doing today? Hello guys, how are you? How's everyone doing today? Awesome. Okay, cool. We're going to face the screen. 60 seconds of your time will be on our observation level. Hi everyone, we're going to 60 seconds here. Welcome in everyone. Before I get started, does anyone want to take a quick guess on how long it took you to come up on the elevator today?
1 minute.
Almost. Anyone else?
50 seconds.
You're very close. Anyone else want to give it a try?
47 seconds.
Okay, so it was actually 47 seconds, guys. One of the fastest elevators in the world. You're very, very close. Okay, so I would like to thank everyone today for coming out to the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere. In less than 60 seconds, you'll be on our observation level, where you'll see thousands of buildings, many different famous sites and landmarks, so you may get a bit curious as to what you're looking at, because there's no maps or charts downstairs. We've created our virtual explorer guide just especially for you. Simply hold it up to the window, and as you move, it moves with you, labeling out our skyline for you. We'll fly you places like the Statue of Liberty. We'll give you a stroll on a Brooklyn Bridge. And if you're a Yankees fan, we'll send you flying to the Yankee Stadium, giving you fun facts and information on why it's so important to New York City's culture. We also created a restaurant guide for you. We'll give you a taste tour from 10 little-to-known restaurants around the city, hosted by our food critic, David Rosengarten. If you do not have time for David, we do have a one dine located on the 101st floor. You can eat at your own convenience. We will also be giving you a link, and on this link, you'll be able to stream over 40 videos that you see on our virtual tour guide today to share back at home with your friends and family. So don't be stingy, guys. This is a rental. We are renting them in these languages in 10 languages on the side with subtitle. If you are interested, please do not hesitate to meet us at the kiosk. We'll be more than happy to help you. I would like to thank everyone for coming out today and enjoy your views.
All right. Here's your signature right now, one of our guides. Head right over towards the kiosk. Thank you for your patience, everyone. Please let us know, okay? Next step is downstairs to reviews, okay? Thank you for your patience. All right. Number 15, number 20.
थोड़ा थोड़ा बिल्कुल। ये इन्होंने ये क्यों नहीं किया? ये क्यों किया हुआ कवर?
मजा आ रहा है फिर, हैं? How is that?
Good.
मजा हो गई है कि नहीं?
That's the view. इधर लोग खड़े हो जाते हैं ना।
सस्पेंस डालते जा रहे हैं। चलिए यहाँ
इतने तो सबसे टॉप फ्लोर पे इन्होंने करना था ना
Hello. Hello, guys.
Because the design of those rooms, they were straightened down, so they had wide, flat surfaces that the wind would just smack against. So there are a lot of differences in the design of this building as opposed to the West.
Charge us, huh?
To just backtrack a little bit, because of the events in 9/11, we lost all 7 World Trade Center buildings, as well as 3 others. Around Manhattan, the College Building, the Deutsche Bank Bankers Trust Building, and CTBUH Orthodox Church. So 10 buildings in total. The first one that was rebuilt was 7 World Trade Center on the other side of DC Street. It opened up in 2006. Now, it's on the same location of where it was originally, so I imagine that's why they gave it the same number. And at the time, they thought that we would have 7 buildings. But as the plan for the memorial started to take shape, they started to realize that within the 16 acres of the World Trade Center campus, that they would not be rebuilding all 7 buildings. So it does just get a little bit the memorial, which is next door to us, which you can see anywhere on this side if you look down. Over in 2011. It is titled Reflecting Houses. There are 2 rooms representing the North and South Towers, or 1 and 2 World Trade Center. They're on the same locations of where those buildings stood. They were 30% smaller.